Here we're gonna test this very beautiful pistol. It's called the CZ75 SP01. It comes in 9mm caliber, and it shoots 19 rounds. Correct? Very high capacity. This is made in Czech Republic, and it's made of steel. This is some kind of alloy, and it has a solid steel slide and barrel. This thing has a Picatinny rail, so you can slide your lasers and flashlights and whatnot. It has an ambidextrous safety, left and right, and it has this sights. This one is installed with fiber optic sights. All right. It has a this kind of grip, extended mag release, and it has double action trigger. Double check. Okay. Double action trigger, and let's see how it shoots. Okay. We will load 5 rounds. All right, and we'll see its accuracy. Right now, I'm liking this gun already. Load. Cut. Ready to fire. Wow! That was smooth. Okay? Double check. There you have it, folks. The CZ75 SP 9mm.